Hi there, I am Taya Srinivas Reddy, a PGDM student at Sunstone's Select Krupanidhi School of Management. We are heading to Mountain Expedition Mysore and Coorg. So stay with us, what all we explore in this journey. On Tuesday, November 2024, we set off at 8 am in the morning. After 57 kilometers of our travel, my friends felt hungry. So we located one of the greatest locations for breakfast, is Kamat Lokaruchi, as it is known for maintaining a good standard for good quality of food. It was started in the year of 1996 by Sri Anant Raj Kamath and it was located near NH 275 highway near the Bangalore. Following our rest, we resumed our drive, and after 2.5 hours, we arrived in the city of palace called Mysore.
This is our room with my room. Coffee, brush, and paste.
Coffee, no, coffee less. I think after coming back we can drink
Okay.
coffee because my is calling us at the lunch area.
15 minutes here to go for coffee.
So we must be that there as such.
Yes, as such.
So,
The balcony.
This city is home for 7 palaces, including the well-known palace called Mysore Palace. There is a lot to say about Mysore Palace. In short, it was constructed in 14th century. Mysore Palace is a marvelous of architecture. During the Dasara festival, it lights up with 1 million bulbs to showcase the splendor. Mysore Palace is a journey of centuries of royal legacy. I'm jealous on my teacher. She is literally so flexible than me. I guess from now on I have to do more workout to keep up with her. The first day we visited Mysore Palace in the city, and the next day we went to Chamundi Hills. And the legend says that once upon a time there is a Mahishasura in this city, and who bothers everyone. And Chamundi is the Devi killed Mahishasura and brought peace to the village. So the reason this place is called Mysore and the Chamundi temple was located next to the Mysore Palace. After completion of our Chamundi Hills visit, in the afternoon session, Mr. Vinay Patil, who is founder and CEO of SkillsFix and Root Education, he taught us how to build self-esteem and many more important life lessons that we required in our future to pursue our dream goals. Me, my faculty, and my friends had a quality of time in Vrindavan Garden, Mysore. The Darling Monastery, also known as the Golden Temple, is a Tibetan temple located in Coorg, and it is so beautiful that we spend time by looking at monks and understand the culture of Buddhism. Monastery seems not very vast from outside. It is huge from inside. There are three 40 feet high statues of Lord Buddha called Padmabhusha Buddha and Amitoyos. The floor is made up of marble, but it is always covered with the carpet. Following our temple visit, we continued travel to Kurg. We visited Abbey waterfalls as soon as we arrived in Kurg, and the season being around nature there was invaluable. We also visited a spice garden in Kurg where we understood how spices are really important and they have been exporting to other countries and the demand in supply. And we also got to know the trash being in the forest, how government is protecting them. And it's really great being here. We came to toy factory in Kurg and this is a small shop but it has a lot of history stored within it. With this, we end our mountain expedition journey, but we are carrying a lot of memories. That underrated toy shop in Coorg, importance of spice garden, tradition of Mysore palace, all sort of things. It is a really great experience, and thank you for watching.